is Bully doing?
Full steady.
What is escape of what the use of reading women? I escape if I can give her marriage to a good family.
Don't shout. Full is reading inside.
And you don't need to read woman. What the use of reading woman? What a hope. She will make her daughter barrister. Money will fall from the sky. What a hope. I am a poor man. What's the need of reading?
Hey, Bokor, come with me.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
with me?
Yes, Madrasha, I'm with you.
Come. Bokor, look over there.
Where?
Where? There.
Is she?
Yes, see, isn't it beautiful? Beautiful?
Yes, yes.
Hey, stop. What is his name?
Fully.
Fully. What a beautiful name, isn't it?
Yes.
Beautiful. Hey, Baba, stop. I forgot to do. Stop. What is his father's name?
Kudus.
Kudus is more beautiful name. Okay, go Kudus house. I'll go Kudus house. Come on, sorry. Come.
Where are you going, Madrasha?
Where are you going? I'll go to Kudus house. But come. Hey,
Like this?
Kudus. Are you in house?
No?
I'm Mr. Matadbor.
You are?
Yes, don't get excited.
You are in
Are
the
you
house?
okay?
What a laugh.
Don't go ahead. Don't leave it. I'm taking it. Okay. I'll go. Let me see. Your daughter is pretty much beautiful. Is it? Don't get excited. Have you ever think about a marriage?
No. Without you, it is not possible for me. You know that I'm a poor man.
Hey, stop thinking. Madrasha is here. You will see everything. Your daughter is very lucky.
Why you are thinking about this? You know I'm a kind man. I bust property. Okay, I know I'm a wife, but it doesn't matter. Your daughter will be happy in my house. I assure you.
What are you saying?
Very simple. Don't get worried. I'll manage everything. Okay? I'm going for today. Now come.
Think the
Come,
matter.
hurry, come. Hey, Kotri Begum, my sweet wife, how are you? Kotri? What are you doing?
What you are saying?
Why you are working? I've asked you not to work. Stop it. You need not to work.
But why? I have to work all
But
day
why you
long.
are, if you work, your face will not be beautiful, you will be beautiful.
Oh, really?
It's okay. Yes. Have I ever tell lie in my life? Tell?
No, I know.
I
You
know.
love me more
Okay.
than your life.
Yes. Go and think two better. Okay, we'll sit
Okay,
together
my
and talk
dear
more.
sweetheart.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Come hurriedly, I'm sitting here. Sit. What? Jacob. Sit here close to me, sir. I've many things to talk with you. Don't go first word. Okay. Why I can't tolerate your word?
Why?
What?
It's
No, don't get worried. I have talked with foolish father. He will come to my house. He will take my care. He will take your care. He will adore me. He will take your share.
But why? Puli is a good student. He
Okay.
always
His
good
father
in
is a poor man.
examination. Why will you bring her in my house?
She will stay with me. Try to understand.
What will you do? What will you do?
Nothing. Just I'm going to marry her. Nothing else.
Old little monster, you will marry again.
Yes. What's the
Again.
problem? Marriage is a good thing.
Old
What do you do?
you
So
will
it's
marry.
my final decision. I'll marry. It's my money. It's my house.
Am I not
will
beautiful?
enjoy my
Am I
intention.
not beautiful?
Yes,
Old
you're
little
beautiful.
monster.
It's my decision. I'll marry. Remember the word. I'm going.
Please, try to understand. You will
Hey,
marry
come
again.
with me. Don't need
Old
you.
little-
I will not do to you, stop.
Sakina Kagam, God has looked upon us. There is a good news.
teacher. What about you? Don't see you.
It's difficult to live in the village.
Oh, sit down, please. Anything wrong?
Yes,
What is that?
some stupid people make many bad things in the village.
Oh, don't get worried. Just remember me. I'm with you. You know, I'm your best friend.
Okay, thank you. I have to go now.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Life is so hard. I cannot tolerate it.
Father-in-law, are you in house?
Yes.
Okay, you're here. Oh, I've seen the calendar. Tomorrow is a good day. It's one not too late in good work. What do you say, father?
You know better than me.
Take this money and arrange everything. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Make everything. Okay, I'll come tomorrow only as soon as possible. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, Kotri Begum, why you are working again today? Oh, stop working. Stop.
Don't pretend.
Oh,
If
not I'm
Only
pretending
be-
here. Type translation. I have a good work. I have to
want to
do it
marry
finally.
again, or?
Oh, you are again saying I'm married. Marriage is a good word. What is the problem? Don't be late. Please give me a new dress.
Oh, no.
It's a devil. Everything is okay. But give me
Monster
a new dress.
only
Okay,
be
everything is
using-
okay. Bring my new dress. Okay, it's being late.
Do you think I cannot understand your interpretation?
Okay, you have understood. I know it. What is the problem? I pass property. You will stay with me. She will stay with me. I'll make it good. Please, don't hurry.
No. Stop. You will not go
You
there.
are talking over. Please, go and bring a new dress. Okay, that new one. Go.
No.
Why you are bargaining with
Why
me?
you when I will arrest you.
How you
I
will
will
arrest me?
kill you.
Oh, if you talk further, I will divorce you. Remember the word, I will divorce you. I need not do this. I'm going in this way.
Oh God. God, sir. Please stop him. What I will do? Yes. I will go to Winchester and punish him so that he cannot gain marry.
Hey, stop! Don't cry. Today is very serious.
Don't shout there. He is a young girl, everything will be okay. When you go to my house, you will see good furniture, good food, you will be okay. Everything is ready?
Yeah, everything is ready.
Okay, I'm waiting for Kazi. I'm seeing whether Kazi is coming or not. Okay.
Here is the David. Arrest him.
Where are you from?
You are main culprit.
What's the problem?
You are going to premature girls' marriage.
You have done this, I know. I'll see you.
Stop!
I'll give you money. I have property. Stop. What are you doing? I'll give you money. Many money. Yes, I'll give you money.
You are under arrest.
Oh, what you're saying? Oh.
Sir, please don't arrest me.
Do you know what are you doing to do?
Say something.
In the marriage of you are going to kill your daughter?
Sir, I can realize my fault. Please don't make such a mistake like me. Mom, please forgive me.
Education is backbone of our nation. Man and woman are equal, so we have to remove premature marriage from our society. Thank you.